In this video, you'll learn how to hire a house cleaner using Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will successfully find and book a cleaning service tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to sign up or log in, located prominently at the top right corner of the screen. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to access your profile. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account, providing the necessary information. After logging in, locate the button labeled Book a Task at the top of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the task selection page where you can specify the type of service you need. In the search bar, type house cleaning and select it from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will filter the available tasks to those related to house cleaning services. Next, you will need to enter your location to view available taskers nearby. This is usually done by typing your address or city into the designated field. Once you input your location, the system will refresh to display taskers who can reach your. Now, fill in the job details. It is important to provide specific information about your home, including its size, the number of rooms, and the type of cleaning you require, such as a deep clean, regular cleaning, or move-in out cleaning. Providing these details will help taskers understand the scope of work involved. After entering the job details, you can refine your search results using the filter options located on the left panel. You can choose a date for the cleaning, selecting from options like today, within 3 days, within a week, or by choosing specific dates. Next, select the time of day that works best for you, such as morning, afternoon, or evening. Additionally, set your budget range using the slider to find taskers who fit within your financial parameters. If you prefer top-rated cleaners, check the box for elite tasker to filter results accordingly. Once you have applied the filters, browse through the tasker cards that appear. Each card provides essential information, including hourly rates, ratings, reviews, and the number of completed tasks. This comparison will help you make an informed decision about which tasker to choose. When you find a suitable option, click the Select and Continue button to proceed with your booking. Next, pick a date and time for the cleaning service by selecting from the calendar provided. Make sure to confirm that this date and time work with your schedule. After selecting, review the task summary to ensure all details are correct. You can add any extra notes that might help the tasker understand your specific requirements. Finally, enter your payment information to complete the booking process. To finalize your booking, click the button labeled Confirm and Chat. This will confirm your appointment and allow you to communicate with your selected tasker if needed.